Welcome to Learning Dialogue videos. Learning objective. After completing this lesson, you will be able to create simple table. In this lecture, we will see data definition language. By using data definition language, we can create table, we can alter the structure of table, we can drop the table, we can truncate the table. DDL Data definition language deals with the create and manage table, that is, structures. You can create table to store data by executing the SQL create table statement. This statement is one of the DDL statement, which are a subset of SQL statements used to create, modify, or remove Oracle database structures. To create a table, a user must have the create table privilege and a storage area in which to create object. Following is a syntax of create statement. Create table schema dot table column data type default expression. In above syntax schema, a schema is a collection of database objects. As far as this hover is concerned, we are only concerned with a table object associated with one particular database username. This username is also the schema owner or the owner of the related group of objects. You may have one or multiple schemas in a database. In above syntax, table is the name of the table. Default expression specifies a default value if value is omitted in the insert statement. Column is the name of the column. Data type is the column data type and length. To create table, you need to specify table name, column data type, and column size. Now we will see demonstration of table. Create table demo. Serial number. Here serial number is column name and number is a data type. Name is a column name and data type is varchar2. Pin code is column name. Char is a data type. So table is created. Create table. Table name is a demo. Serial number, name and pin code are column names. Number, varchar2 and char, these are the data types. Now we will see how to create table with default option. Specify default value for column during an insert. Higher underscore date default system date. The default data type must match the column data type. Here is the example of table. Create table higher underscore dates. Higher underscore dates is the name of a table. ID is a column name. Number is a data type. Higher underscore date is column name and date is a data type for higher underscore date column and it is default. So default option. When you define a table, you can specify that the column be given default value by using the default option. This option prevents null values from entering the column. If row is inserted without value for the column, the default value can be a literal, an expression or a SQL function such as a sysdate or user. Now we will see the demonstration of create table using default option. Create table hire underscore dates id number. So here id is a column name, number is data type, hire date is column name, date is a data type, and we have created this table or this column by using default option. For hire date, default value will be stored as system date. Whatever will be the system date will be stored automatically in this column. Table is created. Table belonging to other users are not in the user's schema. You should use the owner's name as a prefix to those tables. A schema is a collection of objects. Schema objects are the logical structures that directly refer to the user data in database. Schema objects include tables, views, synonyms, sequence, store procedures, index, clusters, and database names. If a table does not belong to the user, the owner's name must be prefixed to the table. For example, if there are schema name user A and user B and both have department table, then user A want to access the department table that belong to user B. Then he or she must prefix the table name with schema name. Select star from user B dot department. As we had seen in first lecture, employees table is from HR user. So we have to connect the HR user, then only we can see the table employees of HR user. But if we want to see a employees table of HR user in system user, we have to access that table by giving name HR.employees. So this is a solution for problem. Now we will create another table. Create table dpt annual number 2 dname healthcare 2. Table is created. Confirm the table creation by using DESC command, DEC, DEPT or describe DEPT. Now try to create table student with the following field and also solve quiz. Quiz link is exactly below to this lesson. Rest of the things we will see in next lecture. Thank you.